In hotel industry, diverse chemical task R series using a cleaning agents all the public area and guest area. R series R1, R2, R3, R4, R5, R6, R7, R8, R9 are call a room care. In housekeeping department, R1 is a bathroom cleaner cum sanitizers. They are also used in housekeeping departments daily basis. Using a housekeeping department, its bathtub, tile, floor, fixtures, and fittings areas in housekeeping departments. Also, purpose for general cleanings and deep cleaning. Deep cleaning purpose. There are also dilutions and directions of use. Using a daily basis or normal cleaning 20 ml per liters and deep cleaning heavy cleaning 50 ml per liter. Used directly spray on the surface and scrub the surface and wipe directly clothes with smooth. R2. R2s are also general purpose cleaners cum sanitizers. They are also using in housekeeping departments as a room attendants, cupboard, tables, telephones, cabinet, and TV frame, etc. They are also using for sanitizers and killing bacteria. Directions of use: they can normal swellings 20 ml of per liters, heavy swellings 50 ml of liters. They are also using a housekeeping department wet moppings and floor scrubbings in guest area, corridors, etc. How to use in R2? R2 directly spray on clothes and then clean with clean to the surface and wipe uh, wipe to the new clothes for buffings clothes and extra signs. R3 R3 is a glass cleaners also using in housekeeping department different types of glasses to be cleaned in R3. R3 is also cleaning for window glass, also cleaning for use for showcase, also used frame with mirrors and frame etc with glass related dents of uses. Also normal swellings 20 ml a liter, heavy swellings 50 ml of liter, spray of a small quantity on cloths, wipe to the top to bottom and buff dry clothes. R4 is called a furniture polish, is used for all wooden surfaces. All wooden surfaces you can use that, all wooden sofa, wooden tables, wooden chairs, all wooden items you can using in racks, also using for cupboards polishing. There are also directions of you ready to use. How to use: shake the wheel bottles and apply it on the fiber cloth and surface and start with the buffing. The next are R5. R5s are also calling air fresheners. They are also using for air refreshing the rooms, corridors, banquets halls. They are also using in rooms, also using in corridors area, carpets, and then also using in banquet halls, meetings rooms, etc. And then directions are ready to use, also using directly on carpets. R6 is also important chemical for housekeeping. It's also using in regular cleanings and deep cleanings in WC areas and urinal area. Housekeeping departments are also regular basis use in this chemical. Directions are ready to use. How to use this chemical: flush the WC and apply to the chemical kernel to kernel and then scrub to the whole part WC part and wash it. Note: also after cleaning wipe to the duster properly. R7 R7 is also called a effective floor cleaners. They are also using in housekeeping departments for wet moppings and then also using in machine of floor scrubbing. Directions of use are normal swellings 20 ml per liters and heavy swellings 50 ml per liters. Cleanings process are same to R1. R8 R8 is called a cattle disc killers. It's also removing line scales. They are also used in boiling waters, heaters, kettles, etc. R9 is also called a bathroom cleaners as a hot waters in hot waters. Also using for old stain, gravy stain surface using for that. It's also using for floor stains, wall stains. In housekeeping directions are 50 ml to 100 ml using a old stain, greasy stain surface. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe the channel.